Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video on doing this, and I thought maybe, possibly, there would be a way to use the Extrude Tool to make it even look better. A little unorthodox, but I'm going to hit the plus key on my keyboard. I made a copy, moved it up 2 inches, just so we can compare them. And it's amazing. I mean, it's an exact copy, but it looks different. So let's grab the Extrude Tool. Well, I grab the envelope tool, grab the Extrude Tool, and we just need to move it, and I would hold down the control button to try to get it perpendicular. And what that does, it allows us to use the Extrude Rotation. And this is a little tricky because you kind of want to go exactly even. And that's probably far enough. And then take your, go to Object and break the Extrude group apart. And there is our new one. Let's get rid of the Extrude. And let's look at them. See, I'm a little bit off on my rotation, but I think we can fix that. But it does give it a different look. I don't know if it's better. You can see that it's a little bit different. It might be skewed a little bit more. And the way I would fix that is take your indexing line and go there, grab on your item and double click and move it to that corner. And then you can grab that node and bring it down, and it should almost snap to if you got snap to guidelines on. But that's a total different look. Looking at it, it's almost like I squished it up more in the beginning, which you could have. But that'd be something to play with. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.